Hello guys, look at what she's about to eat. Yes, so this is what I've been tasting for some days now. I didn't prepare it because I was not in the mood of cooking any Africa food. You know, Africa food, before you can cook, imagine like this meat here is from slaughter, and yeah, from today these are fresh meat, fresh fish, everything is fresh. Shaki, I bought everything, you know. Oh my god, you need to see it. The only thing that is missing here that are supposed to make it gushy, this is just guess soup. What is missing that's supposed to make this soup the gushy soup ever is because I don't have what they call it, blackfish. You know what is blackfish? Catfish, dry catfish. Okay, this is I know my channel is not about food, but sometimes it's good to also do peppering. Like you swallow your spit. Oh my god, the thing is doing tico tico. Oh, stop your tico tico, you sloopy, you delicious soup. Stop it in the name of delicious. Stop the tico tico. Look at that. I made it so light one, yeah, light, very light that whenever I want to swallow, the tune will be going fiala. It will be going fiele. It will be going fia 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 fia. So look at that. Orish orish yo bang bang. Orish orish yo come you. Orish orish yo. Orish yo. Better pounded yam. I know they eat some more. I deal with pounded yam, pandu or rice flour. It's hot. So as I was saying, this is the guess soup. Guess. This one I guess soup. I'm about to off the gas. Let me off it. Gas off. Now we just take my pot, my salesy pot, little salesy pot to prepare the pounded yam as I will be downloading it in a short while. Come enjoy me. Let's eat it together. Yummy!
Metterò il collo a sale. Va bene? Domani vado giù ancora con me. Va bene. Ciao ciao qua ragazzi, ciao.
To be a mother, my god, I don't know how many minutes I've paused this video. This video I've been paused for how many minutes? What have I done? Fish. Yeah. Sorry guys for my I put something that is that on a food. soup is Ogbono soup, the best food ever. Some African food I can't do without, even if I'm married to the man who hates me. I know. Like my husband sometimes do eat this one. Pardon me, if I ask him like, will you eat and some notification? If I ask my husband if he will eat, my husband will eat African food. Why am I raising my hands? My soup is delicious. You can do on it. You understand? Oh. So light. The soup is light. Somebody commented by saying, Bianca, eat meat. Woo. Bianca, I don't like meat. I love fish. Yeah, meat. If in case you are expecting me, and I came to visit you, you want to surprise me by cooking with all kinds of meat, all good. Sister, don't waste your money. Buy blackfish, catfish, which they don't know as any barrier. Sorry guys, this egg you are seeing here, I did it purposely. You see that? When I did it, so beautiful, I said, okay, let me draw it the more. That is how I draw it. Sorry for touching my hair while cooking. So I was really looking at talking with the bad manners. But as they move back, you are not talking. Are you sure, Pat? Is your meat that is so delicious? And I see why I do like this. Now because I can eat Ogbono soup like this. Look at what look at the way the thing is going. I love fish, but because of me, kill yourself to buy it. You are not wasting your time. So fresh fish. I'm done. I'm okay. I'm not the type that. Oh, me too. I know somebody is like, you don't like meat, but you are swallowing the bone. Put down. Hold on. Must not waste it now. Our palo. Is yours? The brown I'm putting on is a maternity brown, no black brown. My tongue is just stupid. But don't worry, it's fine. You can take everything close to me. If I eat. No. come on. Yeah. Hold on, guys. Let me go and make some. Hello. How are you over what is your name? Dari mana ke? Salary mana itu? Dari salary. She's back. So happy. I know some people is like. Just because I stood up earlier before, so the food is a little bit. Not that when I started. But it's fun. Most of the people I feel they eat about food. These are good. Forgive me, my money. These are just tasty. I have something on my teeth and it's making me talking yum. That's to go. I can't keep it to breathe again. Let's come. Yeah, my mom will do. Tutto bene? Vi ammazzo voi due. Okay. Another padellino. Telling you, I won't like this sometimes. Thank you for watching. I really do appreciate every one of you. I feel not good, oh my God. I appreciate every one of you. Thank you for watching. May God in heaven bless you. Don't forget to share. Share how? Thumbs up is important. What are you waiting for? You don't give me thumbs up to this video. You don't have any energy to do to this video. Give a thumbs up to this video, okay? I thank you so much for watching. God will never bless everyone. Please, you're Bianca, baby. I'm seeing different color. Does overfeeding cause person to be seeing different color? I'm eating yellow bella. What is needed? But no woman. One more. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me go close to the camera. My food is not good, guys. The bread is not even within my breast. This bread is just on its own. Bye guys. Like this video, share. Ogbono. Bye bye. Easy day. Bye.